What's the meaning of broadcasting house? Broadcasting house. Broadcasting house.
Broadcasting house. Broadcasting house. Broadcasting House is the name of the headquarters of the BBC, the British Broadcasting Corporation. It is a building located in central London that serves as a hub for radio and television broadcasting. The building has a long history, dating back to the 1930s when it was first opened. Today, Broadcasting House houses several studios, offices, and facilities for television and radio production, including news and current affairs programs. It is also home to the BBC World Service, which broadcasts news and programs in multiple languages worldwide. Broadcasting House is considered an iconic symbol of the BBC and is an important landmark of London.